Hello everyone and welcome to my new video focused on making an Edwardian belt, which was useful and versatile element of Edwardian woman's wardrobe. Dresses or skirt and blouse combination were almost always paired with a belt. The belt helps to get the S-shaped silhouette which was typical for an Edwardian era. Look, here you can see the differences. So, if you have an Edwardian outfit that you want to look truly complete, you should make or buy an Edwardian belt. The belts were shaped in many different ways. For example, tricker belts were mostly used for evening dresses, while thinner belts were used with day dresses. The most common belt was a pointed shape, which we will make today. These belts were paired most typically with blouse and skirt outfits and were most often neutral colors, so they could be reused for multiple outfits. Making this belt is quite simple and it will probably take 1 hour or 2. So now let's get into the sewing process and I hope you will enjoy this. The step 1 was cutting out the belt piece with large seam allowances which you will fold over the lining of the belt. For belt I use lovely pale green Noil silk because I really like the color. The pattern for my belt is based on antique Edwardian belts. I measure out my waist and then I created this belt pattern in the length of my waist. Then I cut out the lining from cotton canvas. Mark the lines for bone tunnels on the wrong side, 1 in the center front, 2 at sides and 2 at the back and each side. Pin the tunnels in place. Sew on the bone tunnels on your sewing machine. Insert the bones. Cut the seam allowances of the lining off. Pin the lining on the silk piece of the belt with wrong side to wrong side. Fold the seam allowances inward, pin and then sew it in place with whip stitches. Be careful to not pass the stitch through the upper silk. sew hooks and eyes at center back. And that's all. I think the making is quite easy, isn't it? So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click on subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you and bye!